It's a little bit more
external setup.
Still do anything else.
If you've seen our iPhone stress test video, you have a really good idea about what's about to happen. Hi, I'm Chip Taylor with PC World Magazine, and in my hands, I have got a new iPod Nano with video. And today we're going to put this little guy to the test and see how tough he really is. So what we've got here is the 4 gig model. We've loaded it with music, it's fully charged and set to go. And we're going to put it through our first stress test, which is our notorious key scratch test. And I just so happen to have our bag of keys right here, and I'm going to drop it in. There we go. All right, let's see how it's done. Let's get a close look here. We got some damage to the metal, but the glass looks perfect. It held up just great, but let's see if we can turn it up a notch. Okay, so now we're gonna rub the keys into it, put a little pressure on it, like as if you were sitting on it in your car. See how it holds up. Ooh, we've got some damage to the aluminum. The touch dial is a little scratched, more than a little scratched. Glass is holding up great. Let's take a look at the back. Ooh, nice. There's one final step to our scratch test, and this time we're just gonna get mean. Uh-oh. Oh, it's not liking that.
Do the metal.
Unlike its cousin, the iPhone, the screen didn't hold up to a key very well, and we did more damage to the aluminum and the touch dial. I really messed this up. And now we're going to see if it'll survive the drop test. So, here we go. Okay, let's see if we've got music. Headphones. It works. Let's drop it 4 more times and see if it works. And number 4. See if we have music. And we do. It's still playing. She's not pretty, but she's still playing. Well, here at the laundromat, I think it's time to wash some clothes. I'm here at my lunch hour at the Brainwash Internet Cafe, and I'm gonna forget to take this out of my jeans before I wash them. Ooh. Hope it can swim. Oh no, my Nano. I left it in my jeans. Here it is. It didn't wash the scratches out. Let's plug it in, see if it'll play. Oh, I'm not getting anything. So we're back here at headquarters, and after 29 minutes in a Brainwash washing machine, I came back to the office and applied the same techniques to it that we've discussed in a previous video, how to salvage a wet gadget, which included keeping it in my pocket, putting it in a heat lamp to get the water to evaporate and get out. And believe it or not, the little sucker does have some life in it. It's far from perfect. The LED backlighting has gone bad, but we have been able to play music, and the video is functional. It's a quite amazing recovery. My only recommendation is check your pockets before you put anything in the wash. I'm Chip Taylor for PC World Magazine.